everyone, this is Shaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a beautiful and elegant chocolate truffle cake. For the base, I have prepared a soft chocolate sponge. I'm soaking the layers with a mixture of ganache and milk to keep it moist and rich. Then I'm layering the cake with melted chocolate ganache along with a lighter ganache mixed with whipped cream, which makes it easier to spread and handle. To add a little texture, I'm sprinkling some chocolate chips for that extra crunch. I hope you will love the video. Watch till the end for the complete process and final reveal. And here's our beautiful chocolate truffle cake ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, keep baking, keep smiling.